What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Star Wars. Haven't done Star Wars in a long while. So this is Darth Revan. I think he's like an old Republic Sith or something. He looks cool. So I'm going to give him a go. He's got like a purple and red lightsaber. Sick looking. I hope they do a movie about this guy. Are they? Is that why people are requesting him? Have they like confirmed a movie? It'd be awesome. Okay. Landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So he's got this big like shadowy like hood and a big cloak sort of coming over his shoulders. So we'll start with kind of the cloak, the hood cloak shape, right? So you just do this sort of curved line. It could be sort of it could be bumpy or smooth, you know, coming over his face. It kind of disappears behind a collar down here somewhere. So we'll just bring it down to like there maybe. Right, so just this big like wavy sort of line, right? And then the mask, so it like goes diagonal just here for like say his cheekbone sort of area, right? And this will go down to his chin, so it changes direction a little bit. So it goes like down this way, down to there, and then it comes pretty square across like that. Okay, so that's like the shape for his mask. He's got a black visor that comes along just up here, so we will just curve a line here, boom, like so, and then the top like that, right? That'll be all like colored black and sort of have shines and stuff inside it. So then he's got sort of like a rim to all these, right? So they're metal, and some of them have like scratches in them and cracks and stuff because he's like, and there's like a red color band there. Seems like a intense guy, right? At the bottom of the mask, there's more of these shapes and lines, right? So he's got like what looks like metal studs, or maybe they're like air holes or something just there. And on the other side as well. I've seen his mask done different ways, but these seem to be there in all of them. So then more sort of metal plates, right? So like a V sort of shape here, curved line going around, and then two that go straight down, I think all the way to the bottom, like behind him. I think these things have like, there's like a little square around this, in this version anyway. And then there's like an edge or a rim that just goes up around the edge of his mask. You're just following the shape again. And we have a couple more shapes inside that. So we got like another, so there's like little edge lines on all these. And then, yeah, there's like one that comes out here and then goes up there. Another curve line there, and then another one coming down here. Just some edges on these, and we'll add just some like scratches and stuff on his mask. There's like cracks and scars, like it's obviously like from lightsaber battles and all that coming across. Okay, so he seems to have a collar that comes down here. Now his costume is kind of different every time I see him, but we'll add this sort of shirt collar here. And this seems to like curve out and then goes back up underneath that hood. Okay, And then he has plates of armor that comes like right across his chin. And it's just black in here, like it's dark shadow. You could draw a neck if you wanted, but it seems to be just like black inside there. So the hood then kind of curves around, like bumps around this way. Right, so like at the same level on this side. Right, and then goes up around his head. Relatively pointy. Back down to there. And then it has like, you know, folds and sort of edges to it and all this kind of stuff. Okay, and it's all like dark and shadowy and sinister looking. So he's got, his cape seems to like flow over his shoulder, like going behind the shoulder, looks like, or draped over maybe a little bit. So what way to do it? We'll go, okay, so it's like high up, he's lunging forward, so we'll just like do the shoulder sort of this way. And his cape will like kind of disappear behind his arm, right? So we'll go around, and this like becomes his arm then, that just like goes, it's off, flowing off to the side. And this is like his cape all at the back, right? And then we have like armpit lines basically, or like the side of his body just going down there, and his arm comes out that way. Like maybe like an inside shadow of the shoulder just in there. And like some more sort of armor lines and straps and stuff going up around the shoulder just there. And we'll do something similar over here. So just like the cape sort of bumps itself down around the arm. Goes off the page there. Right, and then we have like what's like a strap sort of for his body, just coming down over the arm here. And then his arm sort of goes this way. Right, we'll give this kind of an edge line. And then there's like metal, like clips and all stuff in here. Right, that's like a metal clip, and then it like keeps going down that way. And then something similar this side. Keeps going down that way. And then we have layers of armor, metal sheets, just coming across his chest. And we'll give them some bumps and edging and stuff. And like some scratches and cracks and stuff like that, right? And then that's just black in there. And so that's like another strap or something. Coming down that way. Right, so then two lightsabers. So his arms are like going down this direction, right? And then the lightsabers are coming up behind his shoulder. So he's lunging forward and he's coming, like the lightsabers are pointing backwards, right? So they're white in the middle, and then there's like a purple glow outside them. So you'd want to like color them that way. So we'll just go like straight this way. And then out from behind his arm, down here. we'll go right off the page. We'll do them really big. Okay, and then this one going. Of course, if you wanted, you could like curve them over the top to have them smaller if you want to see the tip of them. And then that's just done with some color. Okay. And I think we should see another bit of armpit or something here, like his side body. Maybe. Yeah. Body should be a bit wider there. Okay. Darth Revan. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.